Hi, are you a student who is planning to study abroad? This video is specially made for you. तो दूर से तो ऐसा लगता है कि you are going to a new country and there would be a lot of freedom, you won't have your family around, you won't have your friends around, and then you can just do whatever you feel like. But then when you actually be there, you'll realize कि हर चीज़ खुद करनी है, from cleaning to paying your own bills. तो होता ये है कि आपको पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स भी करनी है, you have to study also, जिस कोर्स के लिए आपने एनरोल किया है आप वो भी परस्यू करेंगे, देन अपना खुद सारा काम भी, whatever your environment is concerned of, you have to catch trains, you have to, the life is not as easy as what we have here. So it's not like कि everything is on the negative side. वहाँ पर when you go, you become independent. You have a new version that is developing inside you, and then there are a lot of things that work in your favor as well. As in, you get to work on your own. You get to see how things are managed. You have a whole new house to manage. You have a whole new thing to manage. You have to study. You have to pay your bills. You have to work part time, then earn money and get things done. So it's not like everything is on the negative side, but then you also, just as a coin has two sides, you'll have to see both the things and decide for yourself if it really suits you, because nobody talks about the anxiety that you get while you're away from your family, your friends and your relatives. It's really difficult to be at a distance from them, and then whenever there's a family crisis going on, you know that you cannot be there immediately, and you're not in a place where you can, you know, just reach to them very quickly. So that point is there. You need to see if you're okay with that, if you're really ready for being at a distance and then managing everything on your own. If you're ready for that, please go for it. If not, if you're somebody who is emotionally really sensitive and you want to be around your family, your people, and you hate doing things for yourself, you do not want to, you know, grow and do different things, if that is the case, you please stick here. So you have to see both the sides equally. You don't have to be partial. Take your decision very wisely, because it's not like आज चले गए और कल वापस आ गए. It's not like that. It's gonna be a long game, and you have to be emotionally very and mentally very prepared for it. All the best. Choose your decisions and keep following us for more content.